Hi Taeyeon, this is David, and right now I am reviewing my supervisor's PowerPoint on Ecological System. While doing this, I am reviewing our notes from yesterday's meeting and organizing my thoughts not only here, but also on Padlet.com. And going through this PowerPoint, I'm thinking about species and what are species. And my supervisor and I were speaking about this yesterday. And what are species? And something that we agreed upon yesterday was that species, if I can find it, species in my case, in my research project, are not specifically people. My supervisor disagreed with a lot of literature in the application of ecological metaphor to education that portrays species as people, but in fact the roles are species, and that is one way that I also conceptualized this. So, what are species? And I want to edit this. Species are roles. Roles and beliefs about roles. So we're thinking about species, but also we're thinking about hierarchy. What is the hierarchy of species? In other words, the food chain. So at the same time that I think about what the species are, I must think about where they're ordered in my world. So I'm developing a food web. Beliefs are bottom feeders, and the roles, what a teacher is, what a pedagogical technologist is in my study, feed on these beliefs. And I'm thinking about food chain. In building a triangle, and understanding this food chain, there's a larger base, so there are more beliefs, myriad beliefs, and there are fewer roles. What is the hierarchy of the food chain? Okay. I wonder how I connect these things. Create a wall, homepage, David's account, share, back it up. Modify this wall. Modify this. Okay. Okay, so what does grass need in order to grow? That's my question. Among members of your worlds, grass, rabbits, and tigers. So my supervisor here wants me to develop the food chain, the hierarchy using arrows. I may brainstorm quickly. What is this? Upload a file, take a photo, add a URL. Paste the URL of image. Nope. Name, page title. So we have students. Students are a species. Nope, that's not that. Teachers. That's a species. Pedagogical technologists. That's a species. So it is this food chain that we have. Are these on the same level, these roles? food chain. Or do students fall below teachers, but all of these fall below beliefs. Beliefs about roles. I don't know where this fits in. Okay, why is it placed like that? Try to make a world with only soil, rabbits, and grass. So that's good. Minimalizing the system, only having three, having the species, and then some environmental factors. And again, that's another question. Are beliefs species, or are they environmental factors? What are the environmental factors, like grass, soil? So I'm slowly building a bank of questions to answer. What change did the number? Okay. So I have to think about the supply of food as well. And grass is the food. I think this is leading us towards carrying capacity.